Did you know that Marseille is one of the oldest cities in France, with a history that stretches back over 2,600 years? Yes, you heard that right. As a gateway between Europe and North Africa, this vibrant coastal city holds a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. In today's video, we'll explore why Marseille should be on your 2025 travel list. So, if you want to discover the charm of this incredible city, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel guides. Welcome to Marseille, France's second-largest city and a destination full of hidden gems and rich culture. With its fascinating history as a Phoenician port, this ancient city offers much more than just Mediterranean sunshine. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes Marseille so special: its beautiful landscapes, historic sites, vibrant neighborhoods, and of course, the mouth-watering cuisine that's unlike anything you'll find in the rest of France. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or foodie, Marseille has something unforgettable to offer. So sit back, relax, and let's explore why you should make Marseille your next travel destination in 2025. Now, let's dive into some of the most incredible features of Marseille. From its historic landmarks to its vibrant neighborhoods, there's so much to discover in this Mediterranean treasure. 1. The Old Port, or Vieux Port. No visit to Marseille is complete without a trip to the Old Port, which has been the heart of the city for over 2,600 years. This iconic harbor is where you'll find some of the best restaurants, cafes, and markets, offering fresh seafood and local specialties. It's a great place to take in the views of the Mediterranean Sea, watch the boats come and go, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere that embodies the spirit of Marseille. Don't forget to stop by Fort St. Nicholas and Fort St. Jean on either side of the port, which offer a glimpse into the city's strategic past and provide panoramic views of the harbor. Two, Notre Dame de la Garde. One of the most iconic landmarks in Marseille is Notre Dame de la Garde, a basilica perched high on a hill overlooking the city. This magnificent church is not only an architectural wonder, but also a place of deep spiritual significance for the people of Marseille. Locals call it the Bonne Mère, or Good Mother, as it's believed to protect the city's sailors and fishermen. Make sure to hike or take a bus up to the basilica for stunning views of the city, the coastline, and the calanques. Whether you're interested in history, religion, or simply want an amazing photo op, Notre Dame de la Garde is a must-see. 3. The Pannier District. Step into the Pannier District, and you'll feel like you've been transported to a different era. This is the oldest neighborhood in Marseille, filled with winding streets, colorful houses, and an artistic atmosphere. It's the perfect place to wander around, discover local boutiques, and enjoy a coffee in one of its quaint cafes. The area is also home to La Vieille Charité, a former almshouse turned cultural center, where you can learn more about Marseille's history and culture. If you're into street art, this neighborhood is a canvas. Walk through the alleys, and you'll be treated to vibrant murals and graffiti that reflect the city's creative energy. Four, the markets and cuisine. Marseille is known for its unique cuisine, which draws heavily from its Mediterranean surroundings. Be sure to visit Marché des Capucins, one of the city's most famous markets, where you'll find everything from fresh fish to local produce and spices. But the real culinary treasure here is the city's iconic bouillabaisse, a traditional fish stew that combines the flavors of the sea with local herbs and vegetables. Head to one of the harborside restaurants to try this dish, and don't forget to pair it with a glass of local rosé wine. Another Marseille specialty you won't want to miss is panisse, a savory chickpea flour cake that's crispy on the outside and soft inside. You can find it at street vendors and local eateries across the city. And if you're craving something sweet, don't forget to try navettes, delicious biscuits that are often flavored with orange blossom. Now let's talk about the real showstopper in Marseille, the Calanques National Park. If you're a nature lover or just want to escape the hustle and bustle of the city, the Calanques are a must-visit. This national park stretches along the coast, featuring stunning limestone cliffs, crystal-clear waters, and hidden coves that are perfect for swimming, hiking, or simply soaking in the natural beauty. Whether you choose to explore on foot, by boat, or even kayak, the Calanques offer a breathtaking experience that you won't find anywhere else in France. One of the most famous spots in the Calanques is Calanque d'Envaux, a secluded bay surrounded by towering cliffs. The hike to reach this spot can be a bit challenging, but the views are absolutely worth it. If you're not into hiking, you can take a boat tour to admire the beauty of the coastline from the sea. The Calanques are a reminder that Marseille isn't just about city life. There's a whole world of natural wonder waiting to be explored just outside the city limits. Marseille is a city of contrasts, where old meets new and every neighborhood has its own unique character. Beyond the major landmarks and must-see spots, you'll find hidden gems and authentic experiences in neighborhoods that are often overlooked by tourists. If you're into art, music, and local culture, head to Le Cours Julien, Marseille's bohemian district. This area is known for its vibrant street art scene, eclectic bars, and cozy cafes. It's a perfect place to enjoy a laid-back afternoon, grab a coffee, and watch the world go by. The district is also home to independent art galleries, unique boutiques, and local musicians that make it a cultural hub. Another highlight of Marseille is the Château d'If, a fortress located on an island just off the coast. The fortress gained fame as the setting of Alexandre Dumas' novel, The Count of Monte Cristo, and today it serves as a museum. You can reach the island by boat and explore the ruins while enjoying incredible views of the city and the surrounding Mediterranean Sea. For history buffs and literature fans alike, this is a fantastic spot to visit. To wrap up, Marseille is a city with a rich past, vibrant neighborhoods, and stunning natural beauty that many travelers overlook. From the old port and Notre Dame de la Garde to the artistic Panier district and the breathtaking Calanques, Marseille is a city that offers something for everyone. Its unique cuisine, multicultural atmosphere, and deep sense of history make it one of the most exciting and underrated destinations in France. So, if you're planning a trip to France in 2025, be sure to put Marseille at the top of your list. This city is waiting to welcome you with open arms, a warm Mediterranean breeze, and experiences you won't find anywhere else. If you enjoyed learning about Marseille and why it's a must-visit destination, be sure to like this video, leave a comment telling us your favorite part about the city, and share your own experiences in Marseille. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for our next travel video, where we'll dive into the top things to do in Marseille. Happy travels!